Welcome to Mountain View Montessori's first LEGO League, also known as FLL, Explore program. This program will be open to students who are currently enrolled at MVM in grades K through 3. Here is our project season teaser for the Energize season.
Home. It's more than your address. It's much more. It's your community. It's our planet. And energy is the essential resource that keeps our home running. Each time we plug in, fuel up, turn a key, flip a switch, or press a button to make something go, we're using energy that's delivered in many ways, helping to connect and power our lives. What new ideas in energy generation, efficiency, and use will help us move forward? Together, how can we help minimize the impact of energy on our global climate? These are pressing questions for our future, and innovation cannot wait. Every step forward in our society has been fueled by a source of energy, and we are constantly finding new ways to generate the energy we need to keep the wheels of innovation turning. As our world becomes increasingly connected, the next step begins with you. Use this moment to reimagine the future of energy and power your ideas forward. What you challenge yourself to create will energize you, our first community, and maybe even our own. Welcome to First Energize, presented by Qualcomm.
So FIRST actually stands for Inspiration and Recognition of Science and Technology. FIRST is a worldwide organization that puts together the LEGO projects and the robotics, and this year's theme is Energize, and for our first LEGO League programs for this year, our project name is Superpowered. And so this gives you a little overview about First LEGO League Junior, which is now First LEGO League Explore.
I get to work with a team building the robots, putting the pieces together. My favorite part is working together as a team and building together.
First LEGO League Junior is a worldwide program that serves our youngest learners. In this program, they explore a real-world theme, and they build a model of a solution to a real-world problem.
They do a lot of planning, and they have to do research.
They gave us how to get water to another place.
We made a project to get the water to the flowers.
They then get to mechanize that model and code it.
You have to use an iPad or a computer, and you code on it.
They are able to do a lot of learning through play. All of a sudden, the students will have those aha moments.
I was like, oh, I know how they build the robots now. When it works, I'm very happy, because we worked really hard.
They learn how to use those critical thinking skills. They learn to communicate with others.
At first, I didn't really like my teammates because I wasn't friends with them in class, but we were able to work it out.
As part of the First LEGO League Junior program, teams develop a Show Me post where they explain the types of solutions that they've created during the season, and they get to share that with their peers at an expo at the end of the season.
You're nervous and excited to present, but I love to present. I thought it was gonna be hard, then when I did it, it was really easy. It made me feel like I can do anything.
I definitely think it's a great way to get younger kids interested in STEM fields. With little kids, sometimes it can be hard to keep their attention. First LEGO League Junior creates a fun way for younger kids to start researching into real scientific issues and learning about them at a young age so that they can develop the mindset of like, oh, this is a problem. How can I help to solve it?
First Lego League Junior gives a lot of students tools that they wouldn't have without being able to use technology. We really need to think outside of the box to get our students engaged and get them really learning those things that they're going to be able to carry on into the real world.
First Lego League Junior is a partnership between First and Lego Education.
First is amazing. First is friends.
First is the best thing you could be.
First is discovery, innovation, impact, inclusion, teamwork, fun!
First Lego League Junior is one of 4 FIRST programs that helps develop the next generation of leaders and innovators.
So these are this year's Explore set models tied to Superpowered. Once the students successfully build the mission models, then they have to motorize one of those models as part of the challenge. Alright, so a little bit more on the First Lego League Explore program. So as the video did go over, what they're going to be doing is reviewing a different form of energy, its journey, how do we get it, how do we store it, how is it used, and then is there a problem in our own community that has to do with that particular energy problem. Then they're going to be building the 3 models and then create their own models that illustrate their own energy journal and journey. And then they are going to create a show me poster, as was in the video, to talk about the energy journey and what their possible solution is for that particular energy source. Then they will be sharing their ideas in their show me poster and in front of families and friends at our expo. So a little bit more on the program details. Session 1, which is our winter session, will focus on the Superpowered project. We will begin on November 29th, which is the Tuesday after we get back from fall break, and then that session will run through February the 18th. Teams will be meeting every Tuesday and Thursday from 3:15 to 4:45 p.m. All students must be picked up no later than 5 p.m. And then our FLL Explore Exposition is scheduled for Saturday, February the 18th, 2023. Then we will be taking a week off so that we can reset all of our Lego programs and tear apart models. And then we will be doing a second older project to be determined. That second session date will begin in February, end of February through May. And then the same days and times we will be meeting. And then the second exposition will be on Saturday, May the 13th. And then just to review the expectations in order to participate, this is a voluntary program and contingent upon students following the same behavior expectations that we have at school. If there are any discipline problems during the actual programs, we do have a scaled discipline system on that with warnings and possible suspensions if needed. And then if there are any formal disciplinary actions that happen during the school day, so a student is referred or suspended, then they are suspended from the program for 1 week. And if there are continual behavior issues, then the student can actually be dropped from the program. Students must also be in good academic standing with their teacher. So that means they have to be completing their classwork, their homework regularly, cannot have, a large amount of missing assignments. They need to be putting in, maximum effort. And again, we may temporarily pause students participating in the program if their academics are suffering. So we want to make sure that we're putting school first. Students are also expected to actively participate in program activities and follow the directions given by the teachers, coaches, and mentors. So if we're doing a research project or we're discussing an idea or we're building Legos, all students on that team are expected to be following those directions and helping out their team. Students are also expected to have good school attendance. So if a student has 10% or more that they've missed in the school year and are considered chronically absent, we may temporarily pause their enrollment in the program until the attendance improves. And then students are expected to regularly attend program meetings. So if students miss 3 or more meetings without good communication from the parents regarding the absences, then students may be dropped from the program for the rest of the session. This is a team challenge, and when teammates are not present, it does put more work on the teammates who are there. And then for students who are currently not in good academic standing or have excessive absences, we may have them be conditionally enrolled, and they must show improvement in academics and or absences in order to continue to participate. And that is all about our Explore program here at Mountain View Montessori.